Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful tea video for you today. This tea video is for weight loss, and you can lose up to 15 pounds in 2 weeks. This is an awesome weight loss video because we are going to be working with some powerful ingredients, okay? Now, let me just get into this real quick. Right now, you're going to need a pan, which is on the stove already heating up, okay? And we're going to be working with 2 cups of water. Alright, so I'm going to pour that in my pan right now. And while that is on the stove, let me show you what else we're working with. Of course you know what we're working with. We're working with the cumin seeds. Cumin seeds, cumin seeds. Listen, this is how I pronounce it, alright? But we're going to be working with this wonderful, powerful weight loss seed, okay? Next, we're going to be also working with black seeds, okay? From the black seed oil, these are black seeds, okay? 100% pure premium black cumin seeds. So this is also from the cumin family, but it's the black seed form, just like the black seed oil. Also, we're going to be sweetening it with some honey. So if you got any other type of natural sweeteners, that's good. We're not talking about the little packets that comes from Equal or Sweet and Low. No, none of those. It has to be natural. So if you got agave, you got stevia, coconut cane sugars, those are good. All right. We're also going to be using some lemon. So if you got the whole lemon, that's perfect. We're going to be using the juice of a whole lemon for this wonderful detox. Now, to start it off, we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of our cumin seeds. We're going to put that in there. And next we're going to be using also 1 teaspoon of our black seeds, okay? And that's what it looks like. Completely different than the regular cumin seeds or cumin seeds. So we're going to allow this to boil for 10 minutes and then we'll be right back. This is an easy morning tea that you can make every morning. Okay, so our drink is ready. Alright, so now what we're going to do is just strain it into our cup, our glass. Okay, and I'm going to allow this to cool for a little bit before putting the honey into it because we don't want to damage any of the natural enzymes from the honey. In the meantime, I'm just going to put 1 teaspoon of my lemon juice. Okay, so now that our tea is completely cooled down, I'm just going to sweeten it right now with some honey. And I'm only going to use a teaspoon. Okay, now this is a powerful tea that you can blend in the morning. This is going to help you to get that weight down. You can drink this about 3 times a day if you'd like, before every meal. If you have the time, you can blend it before and bring it with you. And drink it, you know, right before your lunch, 20 to 30 minutes before lunch, 20 to 30 minutes before dinner. And this is an awesome addition to your weight loss. Now, you will lose up to 15 pounds in 2 weeks. But you should also eat lightly and healthy, okay? Always have healthy, light meals when you're doing any type of weight loss journey. Healthy meals, okay? Let me know how you enjoyed this tea. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. And thumbs up this video. And if you want to be a blessing to this channel, I have links down below that you can also be a financial blessing and donate any amount to this channel, so this way I can bring to you better quality videos, okay? So thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate you, and until the next video, I will see you then. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell. So this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.